Alright, welcome. This is a Harman XXV. It's the middle of February and we seem to have a problem with a noisy combustion fan. So I'm going to plug this in and this is what it sounds like. Doesn't sound like much, but it's definitely a bad bearing. So we're going to dive into this. Take these covers off, take a look, see what's going on. Alright, we're going to open up this cover. And this is nothing crazy here. And there is the combustion blower. So I'm just going to verify that that's definitely where the sound's coming from. Plug it in real quick. Oh yeah, for sure. So at this point I'm gonna pull the motor out and decide what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna replace the motor or just put new bearings in it. We'll go from there. Looks like it's just 3 screws. We'll go at it. Alright, so it's like an easy access to getting the motor out instead of trying to get those nuts, which the other two are very difficult to get to. You got that wing nut there, wing nut over here, and you see that long bolt? That's the last one. Which is nice. They extended the bolt out so that you can actually access it, and once those are loose, turn it free. And there's our motor, our fan blades. So let's get this thing pulled out of here and examine what's going on. Before I pull this thing out of here, I figured I'd just show you, plug it in, show you what's kind of going on. I think the balance of it is off, and it just being dirty. It's now 14 years old, so plug it in real quick and you can kind of see for yourself. Feel it wobbling in my hand. Alright, so I'm looking at my options here, and we are on Mountain View Hearth Products. I've dealt with them before. I had to buy a circuit board for this, and great company to work with. So aftermarket motor, $94, and the OEM, which is an improvement on the original $147. And then I also have an option to purchase a new fan blade, 5-inch blade. I think I'm going to go that route as well, because the amount of heat that you're dealing with, and this stove is 15 years old, 14 years old now, so we'll make this order and we'll continue this video. Well, I heated it up, and forget about trying to get that thing out of there. It's seized in there. So we gotta drill it out. You know, you can give it a shot, but it's not happening. Alright. Enough with trying to cut that set screw, or drill that set screw out. I just had to take a Sawzall to the shaft of the motor. There was no getting that off. right, a few days later, and we have a OEM replacement exhaust blower motor, and bought the new fan as well, because I'm glad I did, because for the $15 it was a disaster to try to get that set screw off right there. So I tried to get the set screw out and then ended up trying to drill it. That didn't work, so I had to cut the shaft right off and put this all back together. And while I was in here, sorry about the horrible light, but while I was in here, this fan is the distribution blower. I dropped that down and cleaned that out because 14 years of dust, you know what's going to happen. That fan's going to go next. But cleaned it up and oiled it up. Hopefully that gives me a fighting chance. Let's put this blower fan back in here and we'll test it out. See how quiet it is, or isn't. Alright, here goes nothing. Let's plug this thing in. Ooh, that's pretty quiet. Alright, we'll put it on stove temper. Temper? That's super quiet. I didn't realize how loud that thing was. Already kind of started it. Let's get this thing up to temperature. Ah, yes, middle of winter. This thing's cranking the heat out. Let's go see what we're up to.